Hey guys, what's up? Mr. PC Builder 23 here. Today I'm going to bring you an update of my computer build I was going on here. So as you guys know, I already painted my case. Got my chrome decals on of the 6870. Got the PC Gamer right there. You know, everything's painted, looking nice. Got my AMD up there next to the Cooler Master. Now, today's mod was to cut this, which is a piece of plexiglass, which is red plexiglass. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's supposed to be shiny. The paint I used, not the paint, the plexiglass was supposed to be a shiny one. And it didn't turn out that way. I got something on there. Gotta clean it. And I did install a switch up here, which does turn. And those are for my cathoids. That's one. I was thinking about putting another one on the other side, but yeah, I only have one pair of cathoids, so one switch should be enough for now. You know, this is all hand filed. You know, a couple cutting and the rest is all hand filed. All has rounded edges like that. You know, took a good hour to do. And as you can see, I'm starting to get my fans in. You know, there's 1, 2, 3 fan. There's a fourth one. There's a fourth one right here, which is on these two bays. There's a fourth 120, which is green. Oh, I'm sorry. This is red. This is green. That's red. This is green. This is the red 220. Or it's a 200. I forget which one. This is going. This Fan Master right here is 4-fan controller. I used that when I had a different case, which only supported like 4 fans. That's coming out. And I will be doing an unboxing of the new fan controller I will be getting, which I will not tell because it is a surprise. But as you can see, I started doing some modding here. I got my chrome decals, which I've had on here for a while. That says Gamer. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, that's a little better. Sorry guys, I'm on my phone. It says Gamer. You know, I got the painted inside of my case. Painted nicely. This fan's green. This fan's green. The fan behind it, which is a push and pull, is red. I do have a 1 terabyte Western Digital here, a 500 gig here, and soon to be 2 60 gig SSDs, which is a surprise because I will be doing an unboxing on those. And this is my water cooling that finally went in. This is another mod. I did pick up the Corsair Dominator fans and I did paint it, which as you can see, or not see, which you can see came out nice. And I did mount it to the back of my case for some extra airflow, which I think was a pretty decent looking mod. I like it. And as you guys can see, I'm working over here with some cables and other such, which are all these cables and all the cables and the wraps and stuff. So that's the starting of my case. I have a SATA cable here and a SATA cable popping out right there right now. Working on that. I do have a cathoid, one of my cathoids right here, which is going to lead me into my next subject, which is I started some cable management. And basically what people have been saying about the Cooler Master HIF is that it has no cable management. Well, I got something against that. I think you're fucking retarded. I'm sorry for my language, but it's true. The reason why it has no cable management is because you don't know how to cable management. Simple, plain, period. Now, one of the cable management features that I've noticed is that if you see this ridge right here on all sides, it's all dirty in here. Gotta clean it out. This ridge, that's a good 2-3 centimeters. Now, if you look in the side of it, which is underneath it, that's my cathode. Now, if you think about it, you can also run cables through this ridge. So that's my front panel connectors. Run cables through this ridge and up the back. Or even better yet, run a fan through here, the extender, up through here, which I will explain. You can put cables between right here on all of these. This one's broken. On all, and I mean, tilt this case. On all of these, you can run a cable through and bring it up. Or you guys can just have them going through here. Now, if you noticed, I do have a vent down here, which has another, just something to add some elegance, because I don't like seeing cables that I shove, because this is a non-modular power supply. Non-modular. I don't like seeing the cables, so kind of put a cutout piece of a vent, which used to be the front of the bay drive. As you can see, I got my 8-pin. My 8-pin coming out, my 24, and my optical drive plugged in. My video card. I'm sorry for the light, guys. I really am. Actually, there's one thing I can do to help this situation, and I will do it. So I'm going to put my phone down for a second, and I'll do it. Hey guys, I'm back. Hope that's a little bit better. Got my light over there. So, as I was saying, you can fit cables, there we go, right between there, underneath here, which as you can see, fits under. And this is the beginning of the cable management process for my case. I believe it's coming out real nice. I'm going to flip it around here so you guys can see my cable management so far, which I don't believe is too bad, because I mean, I like the case. These are all my front panels, my USB, my SATA, my audio, I believe. Yeah, that's Firewire, which is even marked as 1344, or, yeah, I believe it's 1344, I'm not even going to look again. That's for my cathode right there. Now, got one fan, two fan, got a cable running there, there's another fan up there, you know, just to make it tidy. It's not like I'm going to have this case opened up in the back anyways, but I'm still trying. Got my other cables I don't need wrapped up under there. My 8 pin, got 2 fans here. A lot of stuff tucked under here. Now, this is my 24 pin, another fan that's coming down from there. As you can see, I don't have my fans from the top coming down here. They actually ran in the spot I was talking to you about, all the way to the front, and those are ones that are coming down right there, there, and one back here. So, oh, and I have a fan coming up from there. Now, I still have a lot of work to do on this cable management, but so far I think it's coming out pretty nice. This is basically all the cables I'm having. This is my power supply and everything. Pretty much the only thing is extension cables for all the fans in here. For the fan controller, which is taking the spot, which would be this bay right here, this one. And they're probably just gonna go around the case, but as I said, this ridge, I'm gonna be using it a lot for all these fans, because I mean, look, shove it under there. I don't like the way that looks. But as I said, I mean, you can shove the cable, tuck it towards the front, and look, you don't even see it. I mean, it's right there too. You don't see it. It works. People say it doesn't have cable management. I mean, you got all the tie downs. You got big hole, big CPU opening for back plates, big openings, multiple holes. I mean, come on. Oh, and another thing I want to talk to you about. These things right here. All of these that go around your case. Like here and there. Like as you can see I did right there. I used these to clip that down. Yeah, it looks bent up and shit, but I'd rather have neat cables. I don't care. I'd rather have that than me drilling a hole through here. Like that's big in a circle. Like finger to finger. That big in a circle. Putting like this U-channel on it. U-channel on it. And having the hole. I'd rather do that. Now, I still need to pick up some more of like as you can see here, I used this stuff before, which is from Performance, which I really don't like it anymore. Kinda pokes out the cable and shit. So I moved to automotive stuff. It's not just for automotive, but I forgot what it's called, but that's what I'll be using throughout this case. All this is done. That's done. Still gotta cover this. I gotta singly do all these with it, which is gonna be a lot. Still gotta do all the fans with it, except those. Those can stay like that. And yeah, so if you think I'm doing a good job at cable management for the Cooler Master HAF, which this is basically all the cables, it's not modular, this is every single cable. Give me a like. If I get over 50 likes, actually, I think you guys can do a little bit better than that. If I get over 100 likes, I will I will give unboxings of everything that I'm getting for this case, and I will make a couple of surprise videos of some Black Ops gameplay or something when this rig is done. As you can see, it's actually real nice. You know, I'll do something for you guys if you want me to, like, you know, cut you some plexi for a side panel you want or something. Do either one. I mean, give you some ideas you know, help you build a computer if you wanted to. If you want me to, you know, give me a price point, get some parts and build it together if you want. I mean, I'm not that far. I'm in Chicago right now. So, yeah. Comment, rate, subscribe, and like this video.